Okay, now I'm going to go through this term 3 week 2 homework. Okay, 2010 A-Max paper 1. Okay, some of you asking about question 8 part 2. Okay, so you are given the equation of a curve is y equal to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x plus k, where k is a constant. So part 1 should be quite okay. For part 2, find the possible values of k for which the x-axis is a tangent to the curve. So the keyword here is x-axis is tangent to the curve. Okay, to help you to be able to visualize what it is for example, okay, let's say this is the curve. All right, tangent. Okay, you can see that the x-axis is tangent to the curve. So what can we imply from this? That the x-axis is tangent to the curve. You can see that the x-axis is horizontal line. Okay, so it's horizontal line. It means what? It means that gradient is equal to 0 because it's horizontal line. That means dy dx equals to 0. So what you do is you dy dx this first. So y equal to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x plus k. You dy dx, you will get, okay, 2x squared plus 6x minus 9. Okay, sorry, 3x squared. When you okay, k is a constant, so when you differentiate k, it becomes 0. Okay, so dy dx equal to 0, so 0 equal to 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. You factorize, you have x plus 3, x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equals to negative 3 or x equals to 1. Okay, so this is not the answer yet. So you have two values of x. Okay, and then another thing that you need to know is at the point where the curve touched the x-axis, right? Okay, your y is 0. Okay, at the point where the curve touched the x-axis, the tangent, the y is 0. So at the x-axis, y equal to 0. So my equation x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x plus k equal to 0. Okay, so so I have two values of x that I can use. So when x equals to negative 3, okay, negative 3 cubed plus 3, negative 3 squared minus 9, negative 3 plus k equals 0. So you have found one value of k, so k is equals to negative 27. So there's one value when x. Why substitute x equal to negative 3? Because at x equal to negative 3, okay, your dy dx is equals to 0. Okay, and then when x equals to, okay, the other value is 1. Okay, 1 cubed plus 1, 3, 1 squared minus 9. So k is equals to 5. So these are your two answers. So please do not stop at this x equal to negative 3, x equal. You need to substitute back to find what your k. And then the most important thing is, okay, dy dx is equal to 0 because the x-axis is tangent. And at the point where the curve is a tangent to the x-axis, right, the y is equal to 0. So this is a very important key idea. Okay, so this is 2010 A-Max paper 1.